All right, this is something I've always been wanting to do. This is the dumbwaiter at the School of Nursing at Ohio Valley Hospital in McKees Rocks, Pennsylvania. This is an old dumbwaiter with C.J. Anderson, I believe fixtures. Actually, those may not be C.J. Anderson. And Peely doors, and supposedly this is also made by Peely too. There's also an impulse over there that PL is playing with. And the thing I've always been wanting to do is, since it's actually a working dumbwaiter, have my camera go for a ride. Here we go. It's currently in the basement. I'm going to bring it up to ground. I have my flashlight on too, since the car light does not work. Here it is. Oh yeah.
It goes.
Oh, that way. Okay. I'm sorry. I did see a latch there. Has a bi-part thing on the inside and on the outside. Pull the latch here. Let's open it up. Here's the cab. The light is burned out, 250 pounds, and it is very, like all the paint's worn out. Now, I would recommend moving away if you don't want to be on camera. All right, let's put my thing back in the cab. Hopefully you can see. Let's close the gate. See the fall. Oh, that's not how it was before.
Oh no!
Oh, I know. So, maybe your device, but not your body. All right. Now I want to show because my video. Oh, I see. It's like the latch there is getting on the chain. And that's it.